Fotric 223B is now available in a self-service kiosk format which requires no operator. This solution makes screening even easier and more streamlined. With the 223B Kiosk, subjects simply walk up to the designated screening point. The 223B will instantly read their temperature and display the results on the tablet screen. The kiosk kit includes a tablet stand, camera mount, 223B camera with all necessary cables, and a USB-C adapter. That's everything you need to start screening right away. Assembling the kit is easy. First, build the tablet stand. Then, prepare the camera mount. Attach the clamp to one end and the camera to the other. Then clamp the mount to the tablet stand. Next, attach the tablet to the tablet stand. Once that's done, you'll have to connect the camera to the tablet using the supplied USB cable and USB-C adapter. The kiosk works using a mobile app which must be installed on your tablet. Simply open the app and connect the camera to the tablet using the included USB cable and USB-C adapter. Select OK when prompted on the tablet. Give the camera a few seconds to connect and you should see the thermal image on screen. Contact the equipment to learn more about the Fotric 223B temperature screening kiosk.